Hey, what's up guys, Nick here, Keith. Welcome back to another tech video. Now in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to organise all your Discord servers into one group folder. Okay, it's really easy. So all you do is you drag, say for instance I'm going to drag Crazy Server into midgets. So all you do is you hold, click and hold, or if you're on mobile you just tap and hold and you drag one on top of the other. And we'll do the Army of Undead again. And you drag it into the folder, and it's as simple as that really. Now if you want to take another, if you don't want to serve it in there, you just click, hold, drag out, and easy. Now if you want to change the settings of this folder, so if you want to change the background color, you just right click, go to folder settings. Now unfortunately at this current moment in time Android doesn't have access to this on mobile, so you won't be able to do this. You have to do it on your PC. I think iPhones do though. So if you're on your iPhone, you just open the folder up, then hold long down on it, and then you should have settings come up hopefully. But yeah, let's go back in the folder settings. You can do your name here. So we'll do test folder, and then here you can change your color to, so let's do this for instance, and there you go, the folder's named. Nice snazzy color there now. And this is a real easy way just to organize your Discord servers if you have tons. See, for instance, I have all of my servers accessed on the hour pretty much, or that I'm modding on quite often. These are all out of the folders, and then I have like my next priority or folders, etc. And that's how I personally organize my stuff. But yeah, I hope this video has helped you out, guys. I do stream, so be sure to check me out over on Twitch. Links down in the description. I might stream on YouTube. We'll see how we go though. But I hope this video has helped you out. If it has, be sure to leave me a big thumbs up down below and leave me a comment if you have a question. Thanks for watching, guys. I love you all, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.